I gave this AI tool one sentence and it turned it into a full cinematic action film. A woman on a dangerous mission to rescue her kidnapped brother, intense action, dramatic visuals, and movie quality scene. Take a look at this. And the crazy part is, I didn't use any editing software, write complicated prompts, or spend hours generating scene after scene. The entire workflow is handled by a single AI tool. Now, before I show you how, let me tell you why this is worth your time. AI filmmaking is quickly becoming a valuable creative skill for creators, agencies, and brands. And tools like Flova make the production process much faster and far more accessible. If you are a YouTube creator, this is a whole category of long-form content you can now actually produce on your own. But here is the problem. Anyone who has tried making an AI film has hit the same three walls. The first is character drift, where your main character looks like a different person in every scene. The second is the AI forgetting the plot halfway through, so the story falls apart. And the third is handling large scripts, because the more scenes and characters you add, the harder it is to keep everything consistent. The tool I am using today, called Flova, is built to solve all three, and I am going to prove it with a 13-scene action film with multiple characters and multiple locations. Let's dive in. Let's quickly look at some of the features of Flova AI. When you hover your mouse over the plus icon, you can upload images, audio, videos, and even documents such as PDFs and other text files. There are also several models available to choose from. Some of the best image models are available here, and under video, you can access models like Seedance 2 and other top performing options, all integrated directly inside Flova AI. When you scroll down a little, you will find the recent projects section where all your previous projects are organized and easy to access. You will also find a collection of ready-made templates that can help you get started quickly instead of building everything from scratch. For this demo, I am going to paste a simple story idea and let Flova AI handle the heavy lifting. It will develop the story, build the storyboard, generate the character and environment references, create the voice assets, animate the scenes, and assemble the final video. So this is the prompt I will be using. Now let me choose the models I will be using. For the images, I will be using GPT Image 2, and next, for the video, I will be using Seedance 2. There are also several skills available here. For example, the script to video skill can analyze an uploaded document and automatically turn it into a video. There is also a music to video skill that can help create a complete music video from a song. And there are many other skills available depending on the type of project you want to create. For now, I am not going to use any of the skills. And a skill is not just a save style or a template. It saves your entire workflow, your visual direction, your storyboard structure, your model choices, and your shot logic. So once you find an approach that works, you never have to rebuild it again. And if you cannot find exactly what you need, simply click on More, and this takes you into the full skill library. This is where it gets interesting. These are ready-made workflows built by professional creators. So instead of starting from a blank page, you take a proven workflow and adapt it into your own original idea. This Shinkai-inspired anime short skill already has Seedance 2 set as its core video engine. This J-Horror 1 runs GPT Image 2 with Seedance 2. And this Jurassic Park skill is set up for 90s Hollywood color grading. The models, the style, the whole approach already decided for you. And if none of them fit what you have in mind, just click New Skill up here at the top right and build your own custom skill from scratch. With everything set up, I'll go ahead and hit Generate and let the AI agent begin building the project. This chat window is where Flova AI communicates with you throughout the entire workflow. Make sure you pay attention to its suggestions and provide clear instructions whenever adjustments are needed. The AI is now processing the idea and transforming it into a complete story structure, writing the script scene by scene to create a coherent narrative from beginning to end. Right now, the AI is updating the storyboard, and every step of the process appears here so you can track everything visually. What we are seeing now are the key story elements being added to the storyboard. You can review them and make adjustments at any stage before moving forward. Right now, it has finished generating the sheet for the story, which include the characters and locations. So when you take a look at the first one here, we have the main character who is Mara, And then we have her brother Daniel, then the villain who is the boss, and lastly 3 different locations or environment for the story. And I think so far everything looks perfect. Now this is one of the most impressive features I have seen. Flova generates voice samples for every character using Seedon's fast model and then uses those samples as anchors throughout the project. This helps keep each character's voice consistent from scene to scene instead of sounding completely different every time a new clip is generated. For instance, let's watch how the lady sounds. It first matched the voice, face, and lips of the character before it started generating all the actual video scenes. And it went ahead to do this for all the remaining characters too, and as you can see, they all have audio clips attached to them as well. Since I like everything here so far, I will move on and type proceed and send it. The video generation is now complete, and all 13 scene clips have been created and organized here, ready for review. It has successfully assembled everything onto the timeline, and at this stage, you can still trim or edit anything you don't need. If you want to change any specific scene, just select it and type the changes you need in the text box. Once you are satisfied with everything, just click here to export. Now here is why this matters beyond one cool film. AI filmmaking is becoming a genuinely valuable skill for creators, agencies, and brands. And taking an idea from one sentence to a finished film in a single session is a serious advantage. And most creators are paying over $120 a month juggling 5 or 6 AI tools that don't even talk to each other. Flova replaces that entire stack. For just $20 a month, you get more than 20 elite models, plus your whole creative team and editing suite in one place. New users receive 100 credits immediately after signing up, and you can get an additional 200 credits by exploring Flova. The link is in my description and pinned in the comments. Now before you click away, watch the full short film Flova creates from this single prompt. If you enjoy this kind of content, hit like and subscribe because I have more AI filmmaking workflows coming soon. And after you've watched it, tell me in the comments what you would rate it out of 10. All right, let's roll the movie.
He has 12 hours. I have 1.
You has 12 hours. I have 1.
Drop it, or I end him right now.
You had 1 job. Don't touch what's mine.